Hello everybody, working again. We would like to talk to you about today for some job opportunities in the United Kingdom at pubs, bars and discos. What we like to emphasize in this kind of jobs because the United Kingdom has around 50,000 pubs, so they are really a big part of the economy and the society. So to put an example, the production of the sale of beer creates jobs in agriculture, brewing, pubs, and the wider supply chain. So to put an example, we could say that for each job brewing, it generates one job in agriculture, one job in the supply chain, one job in retail, and 18 jobs at pubs. So we have chains like Enterprise Inn that have 4,000 pubs all around UK, and especially in London, there are a couple of areas that you may find a big amount of job opportunities that some bars need some help very often, such as the places as Enfield, Eileen, Croydon, and of course the centre. So we would like to mention some of these pubs that are really very often looking for personnel. The first one we would like to mention is called the White Lion, that is at 48 Parliament Street, and this is one of the most known pubs in the UK because you might find people even from politics drinking a pint. So in this establishment you have very often job opportunities as meetings and event sales coordinator, where you need to give a very good customer service to all the personnel, managing all the meetings, events, and wedding bookings. So you might find yourself doing the books for new events and keep in touch with all the late events on town. You may find as well job opportunities as kitchen porter, where you need to keep clean the place and cutlery, keeping the dust, helping with the kitchen cleaning. So this might be a really good opportunity for a temporary summer job. Another place that we'd like to mention is called the White Lion, and this place is really next to the Covent area, and they look very often for kitchen personnel like chef, waiter, kitchen team leader, bar assistant, cleaning crew, kitchen porter as well. So the Lamb and Flag is another pub that is very known. It's on 33 Rose Street. It's very famous as well because you might find a lot of people outside the bar instead of inside, because it's really customary to drink the pints on the street. And in this kind of place, you might find job offers as a bar staff, chef, kitchen porter as well. And well, the last place we would like to mention is called the Mayflower. It's a traditional pub where you might taste an authentic ale beer, and it really has a good menu. So you might find this job offers as chef, waiter, and kitchen help. So you might find all these kind of opportunities in the UK on our website. So we invite you to get into this link to get all these opportunities, and remember to subscribe in this link if you like what you see and you want to see more. So keep in touch with the latest news about the job opportunities in the UK. Thank you.